Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about chemical formula. A chemical formula is defined as a collection of chemical symbols that is used to show the elements present in any compound and its proportion. But before writing a chemical formula, we must know the basis of chemical formula. So what is an atom? An atom is the smallest indivisible particle in any chemical equation. A house is made with bricks. It all starts with laying the first brick, which gradually graduates into a full-fledged wall. If this wall is a chemical compound, then the brick is the atom. While they may be the smallest unit of chemical compound, their importance is pretty much like that of the brick used to build the house. Without it, there will be no house. Similarly, our entire universe is made up of atoms. Different symbols for atoms of various elements. Every element in nature is significant with a chemical name, a chemical valency, and a symbol which is used to refer to this element while creating a chemical equation. This symbol denotes a singular atom. This is to say, when we refer to aluminium as Al, it refers to a single atom of aluminium. The first scientist to use symbol for chemical element was Dalton. He was the one who used the symbol of the elements in a specified quantity, that is, one atom of the element. Later on, Berzelius suggested that we could use one or two letters of the element to form its symbol. Initially, symbols for the name of elements were derived from the place they originated, like copper was taken from Cyprus, while gold was mint yellow, and so it was denoted accordingly. However, today the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry approves the elements' names. Traditionally, the first letter of the name of the element in uppercase followed by the second letter, which is in the lower case, is written as the symbol of the element. Sometimes you may see that the alphabet denoting the symbol of the element does not match the name of the element. This happens when the name of the element is written in English but the symbol is derived from its name in Latin, Greek, or German. For example, the chemical symbol for potassium is K. This K is derived from kalium. Iron is denoted by Fe, which comes from the Latin word ferrum. Hydrogen for H for hydrogen, Co for cobalt. This ensures that each element has a unique symbol. What is an atomic mass? Dalton, in his atomic theory, further theorized that each element consisted of an atomic mass. This theory was widely accepted as it explained the law of constant proportions, and the scientists were encouraged to weigh the atomic mass of the elements. However, it was soon realized that determining the mass of an atom was not an easy exercise. Therefore, scientists developed a way of determining atomic weight by forming compounds using the law of combination. In 1961, a standard unit of carbon atom was determined to be 12 isotopes. It was proposed that one atomic mass unit was 1 by 12 of the mass of a single carbon atom. Based upon this, Based upon this, relative masses of other elements were also determined. For example, oxygen has an atomic mass of 16, while sodium has an atomic mass of 23, and accordingly other elements also receive their atomic masses. So now talk about chemical formula writing. A chemical formula is a symbolic expression signifying the number of atoms present in a molecular substance. We determine the type of atom by referring to its symbol. So for hydrogen we will use H. The number of atoms is determined by the subscript attached to the symbol. So a chemical formula of water is H2O, has two atoms of hydrogen and a single atom of oxygen. Steps involved for writing a chemical formula. Step 1. First you have to decide the type of the bound. In the prefixes are used, then it is a covalent bound. In case there are no prefixes, it is an ionic bound. Step 2. Now write down the symbol of the polyatomic ion or the element. Step 3. Now if the prefix was used, you will have to add a subscript. You will also have to add a subscript in order to balance the charge. For example, writing the chemical formula for hexene is C6H14. This has 6 atoms of carbon and 14 atoms of hydrogen and is collectively called hexane. While sodium chloride, known as common salt, this formula has a single atom of sodium and a single atom of chloride, that is NaCl. Also remember that in places where there is no subscript, like in the example above, the value of atom is presumed to be 1. For more videos, subscribe to Subject Expert and please like and share the video. Thank you.